Hello, my name is Kelu. Some of you might already know me because of my love for motorcycles, especially for small motorcycles like my little Honda Monkey. But today I've got another interesting news to tell you. We've got another friend in our family. It is a 1993 Astromega by Van Hool. It is actually a lovely double-decker bus, about 12 meters long, 4 meters high, and some 2.5 meters wide. Yes. So some time ago, my love and I, we decided that we could use another bigger vehicle to suit with our needs, to do a little bit of traveling and also maybe take our motorbikes with. And we started looking for different kind of vehicles that we could use. So for me, the idea was so strange because look around. Estonia has quite cold winters, quite a lot of snow. When you build a house, then you have to make it like resistant for this cold so that your water pipes won't break and there would be some warmth inside and so on and so on. And I was like, oh my god. But the day came, we found this lovely little bus and now it's in our family. So the first works that we need to do with it is to take the furniture out, to take everything else out that we possibly don't need, to see what's underneath the materials, to fix the metal frame, to fix any rusting, to replace any like rusted parts on the frame, to service the engine, to rebuild the electrical system, and then install like the very basics of water system, very basics of toilets, and very basics of maybe cooking. And then decide how we're gonna build it, how we're gonna design it, how much money do we have left, and so on and so on. And our idea at the moment is to make the first floor like a little workshop where we could do things what we need to if we have to maintain the bus or we have to do anything else with our home. And the second floor would be like a living, cooking, sleeping area. So that's our essential plan. Right now, since it's cold, the warehouse is like -3 degrees of Celsius all the time. So when you're working, you have to have your winter clothes on. But when you're moving around, it's not that bad, really. But yeah, if there's any snow inside, it's not gonna melt. So this is how cold it is. So now the bus is already in the warehouse, and we've done some exterior and interior works on it already. That's the first floor. We've taken out all the carpets, chairs, all the furniture. It really doesn't look that bad. The brown color everywhere you can see is just the remnants of the glue. And that's the second floor with stone wool still attached to the walls and to the ceiling that needs to be taken out. And that's a pile of garbage, pile of everything that we took out from the bus that we don't need anymore. It's huge. It was higher than I am. This is the phase of removing windows. And I don't know how it's called, but it's kind of like a beauty bar that hides the screwing holes and makes the bus look nice. So we are taking them off. And the next thing is to get rid of all the window sealing and all the rubber materials, silicone that's holding the windows in place. That's quite a lot of work and it's quite dirty. And some of the window frames have been rusting away, so the metal around the window is quite soft already. This is actually a removal of a window in 32 minutes. This window was really a simple window. It came out quite nicely. And this is how it looks from the outside. That's another like 30 minutes to an hour work to force the window out from its frame after we've wire sawed it, so it's still quite hardly attached to the bus, which is nice. It's kind of safe when you're riding around, but now it's a little bit like a nuisance. I'm complaining a little bit about not having a place anymore where to kick the window because I don't want to kick the glass, and now we're trying to pull it out. The window is actually quite heavy, so I can't be of much help in carrying the glass away. It's too heavy for me. After the windows have been removed, then some rust can be cleaned off, or any other like metal screw or anything that's hindering the works later. In our future like videos, we'd like to introduce to you how we're working, and what we need to do with the bus and how we're doing. If you're interested, you're welcome to join and see how we're doing. Also, if you have any like tips or tricks and you have built this kind of buses before, you have built minivans, you, I don't know, traveled around the world with this kind of buses or vans, then just we would like to hear about you. Maybe you have some useful ideas to give us, and I hope that you like the work that we do. If you do, you're welcome to come back and see the next videos as well.